In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dispenser water line in this Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new water line, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power and water supply to the refrigerator. To replace the dispenser water line, we'll need to remove the user interface control board and left door hinge cover. On the bottom of the display are two locking tabs holding it in place. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the slots and gently push up and pry it towards you to release. Now, slide the display down, being careful as it's still connected by wires. Next, disconnect these three electrical connectors. The larger two can be removed by depressing the locking tab, while the smaller connector needs to first have the locking key removed. Now, on the top of the fridge, remove the Phillips screw and plastic cover over the hinge. With the cover removed, we now need to disconnect the water line by flipping the black locking tab up and pulling the line out. Water may drip from the dispenser once disconnected. Now, remove the dispenser end of the line from the retainers on the ice dispenser assembly. Then, pull the water line out. If needed, the wiring harness may need to be shifted to allow the line to pass through. When shopping for a new water line, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the water line, insert this end into the opening and feed the line back through the door. If you meet any resistance when installing, adjust the wiring harness and use a little bit of force to get the water line through. Now, ensure the black retainer is around the wiring harness, water line, and ground wire. Then, reconnect the water line by inserting, pushing until it stops, and folding the locking tab back in place. Next, reinstall the plastic hinge cover. This may be tricky as the wires need to be routed through the cover. Now, reinstall the dispenser end of the water line back into the retainers. To install the display, start by reconnecting the electrical connectors. Align and push until they snap back in place. Remember to reinstall the locking key on the small connector. Now, make sure all of the wires are tucked back into the opening. Insert the tabs on the display into the slots, rotate down, and snap back in place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.